Welcome to today's class where we look into the fascinating world of brownfield infrastructure development in India. In this video, we will analyze the concept of brownfield assets, understand their significance, explore various types of brownfield projects in India, examine successful examples, and discuss the challenges and opportunities associated with brownfield redevelopment. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how brownfield projects are shaping India's infrastructure landscape and driving sustainable development. First part is the understanding brownfield infrastructure assets. Brownfield infrastructure assets refer to existing facilities or infrastructure that require significant renovation, redevelopment, or expansion to suit new purposes. These assets are often remnants of older industries or services underutilized, idle, or contaminated to some degree. Examples include abandoned factories, former land mills, old power plants, contaminated industrial sites, and outdated transportation infrastructure. Importance of brownfield investment. They reduce the urban sprawl. Brownfield projects revitalize existing areas within cities or towns, preventing expansion into undeveloped land and promoting sustainable urban development. Lower cost. Repurposing existing assets is often cheaper than building entirely new infrastructure, leading to cost savings. Existing infrastructure. Brownfield sites may already have connections to roads, power, and utilities, reducing development expenses and timelines. Economic revitalization. These projects create jobs, stimulate economic activity in neglected areas, and improve property values, contributing to overall socio-economic development. Let's move on to the types of brownfield infrastructure projects in India. First one, industrial sites. Redevelopment of old industrial areas into modern industrial parks or commercial zones. Second one is ports and airports. Modernization and expansion of older ports and airports to meet increased traffic and standards. Third one is the railways. Upgrading stations, laying new tracks, or converting lines within the vast Indian railway network. Fourth one is warehousing and logistics. Repurposing brownfield sites to create efficient warehousing and logistic hubs. Fifth one is urban redevelopment. Redeveloping old neighborhoods or unused government land for mixed use developments, public housing, or recreational facilities. Let's see some examples of brownfield projects in India. Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor. This is a massive initiative aiming to develop integrated industrial townships and logistics hubs partly on brownfield sites. Another example is redevelopment of railway stations. Modernization and transportation of Indian railway stations into multifunctional facilities through public private partnership. Another example is Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust. Expansion of one of India's largest ports through brownfield initiatives to enhance capacity and efficiency. Every field and everything has its own challenges and opportunities. In the case of brownfield projects, the challenges include the first one is legacy issues. Old infrastructure in India faces challenges such as land ownership disputes, lack of clear documentation, and potential encroachment complicating redevelopment efforts. Second challenge is funding. Despite government support, securing investment for brownfield projects in India can be challenging due to perceived risks associated with contamination and unknown redevelopment costs. What are the opportunities? The vast potential for brownfield development in India present opportunities for replication of successful projects, future investment, and revitalization of infrastructure across the country. In conclusion, brownfield infrastructure development in India offers a unique opportunity to address the nation's infrastructure needs while revitalizing existing assets and promoting sustainable growth. By repurposing old infrastructure, India can mitigate urban sprawl, reduce costs, leverage existing resources, and stimulate economic activity. Despite the challenges, successful brownfield projects serves as beacons of hope, driving forward India's journey towards prosperity and progress. As we continue to navigate the complexities of brownfield redevelopment, let us embrace the opportunities it presents and work towards building a brighter future for generations to come.